Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our Colorado cargo trailers. This was set up to be a multi-use unit as they are insulated with Windows AC power. That's what we specialize in here at Colorado Trailers. Makes it really easy for you guys to do your own build outs or just have a nice, simple, easy to use toy hauler. This one again is a 6x12. You guys can view all of our inventory online at getmytrailer.com. Again, that's getmytrailer.com, or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com as we do ship as well. Again, 6x12 silver Blackout package. You do have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, and then you do have a triple tube tongue with this unit as well. That's why these trailers tow really amazing. That's a very rare find with a single axle trailer. Nice tall diamond plate rock guard, and then you've also got that V-nose guard for that extra rock protection. And side door has the RV lock and cam bar on it, so you've got double lock protection there. Exterior GFI outlet, 3,500 pound axle, beautiful aluminum wheel. You also have a black diamond plate fender with that. Party light off the side, that's that nice light that you guys see right there. Couple of windows in this unit as well. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. That's a really nice important piece, because if you're on a single axle and not hooked up to a vehicle, this trailer is going to tip and pivot on that axle on you. So that allows you to fold that down, especially when you're camping, be able to drop from your vehicle and have a nice stable place to get in and out. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it. Couple of load lights off the back, so you guys have some great light off the side and off the rear, so you guys can see what you're doing at night. Get you a better shot of this side here. The silver Blackout combination is a really pretty combination together. 6'6" interior height, insulated walls and ceiling, aluminum wall and ceiling liner. These are our bigger windows. They're two 18x44 slider windows with screens. It is a tinted, lockable window, so you guys do have that control there as well. Performance Nudo floor. So this is the same floor we stick in our off-road trailers. It's a great floor setup to last. You've also got 4 D-rings in here for tie-down points. Again, 6'6" interior height. It's going to give you about 6 feet here at your rear ramp door. Maxx Air vent in the back has the bubble cover over it, so it won't leak water in if you guys forget to close that. And then we do have some different power and lighting options in here. We equip most of our trailers with batteries, so you've got a battery right here with a battery box and a battery charger. That's going to run your interior puck lights for you on the trailer. It's also going to run those party lights off the side, the spotlights off the back. So normally you need to have light, or excuse me, be plugged into a vehicle to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer, or have your generator on, and that eliminates that for you. As you guys can see, those come on and they're nice and simple and easy to use. Now we also have 30 amp service, so you do have a breaker box here, a nice big long cord. You can take that cord, there's a little cord port in the floor, and run out to a generator, plug it into an extension cord or a campground, and that's going to bring power in to power up all of your 110 outlets. So you do have 4 of these guys in here. There's 3 right there, another one here in the back. You also have the exterior GFI outlet. It's also going to bring power in and run your 4-foot overhead LED lights. These are LEDs, not fluorescents. It's also going to run your AC unit with a heat strip, so you guys do have the ability to heat and cool this trailer as well. This is a 13.5 BTU unit. It's a big unit for this small trailer, so you guys will have no problem staying hot or cold in here with that big of a unit inside a 6x12. So 3-year factory warranty. This trailer weighs 1,215 pounds. It's going to give you about a 1,750 payload capacity, and set up again for that great multi-use, ready to go. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. Nowadays with COVID, you guys can catch us online. It's an easier place to catch us. Email us anytime, sales@getmytrailer.com, or just go right online. You guys can see more pictures, videos, learn more about this. You can buy this trailer right off of our website, and we can ship it right to your door for an additional fee. So give us a call again, 303-688-8485, anytime at getmytrailer.com or sales@getmytrailer.com. And if you guys are watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.